Hi everyone. Um, Welcome back. Um, so we are going to continue from where we stopped, which is to create the courses table. And so I'm still going to create the course table in the student management system underscore s database. So I'll do create table and I'll say courses, and let's see. So I'm just going to do course code, course underscore code, and I think I'm just going to give it a variable character of say let's see, could do variable character of let's just see 10, and the course, so small letter course name, and we'll just do varchar, and we'll just do, let's say, 15 or 20 characters, and our primary key would be just be our course code. Yeah, that will just be it. I'm gonna run this and it's successful. If I refresh, so of course, in order for you to check them out, just select all from courses, which is our table, and run, and you can see our table. Yeah, so now we are going to actually populate our assessment, that is assessments, and so we are going to say we want to change the database I want to use. We'll just say use assessments and run, and you can see that it has actually changed. This, it was dark in here before, it has actually changed to here, so it means that we are currently using our assessments database. So we're going to create tables that would create our individual courses, and it is going to take student name, CA1, CA2, and I don't know if I should just, I think I'll calculate total. I'd rather just do that, and it's a way for us to learn. And so already have it here. So I'm going to create the first one, let's say agriculture. So we'll do create table agric, and so we'll say student, and we'll say varchar, let's say 10, or not. Then we'll say first underscore CA, would say integer, but we can do float because some people uses they might use the fraction. So second CA, I can see use float, and exams I'll just paste as use float. And okay, so we would have the course. So we'll do, we'll have the course code as well. So we'll say course code, or we can say course underscore code, and our course code is varchar, and so it will be 10. So this guy will be foreign keys. Both these two course code and student will be foreign keys. And maybe I should do a primary key because it's really important. I can just say serials, and I'll say int, I'll say primary key. I'll say not null. I'll also say auto increment just because I can, and comma, and I think we are done. Okay, so yeah, we are done. So I'm just going to use, I've already done this stuff before. Okay, serial number, so I'm going to use them. So I started from, I'd rather just use all of this done, because like I said, I've created it before, so it's just easier for me to use. Again, I'm a very lazy person, so yeah, I took my time to do this before. I would rather not do it from scratch again. So I will just paste it here and run them one by one. Okay, so so we'll just start running them now, and I'll run the first one. Course code, okay, I'll do also, this guy will be foreign key, will be course code will be foreign key from SMS underscore S, and this guy will be do the same thing, underscore S. Yeah, so I would have to yeah, so let's see. Also, so he's saying something about referencing column student. Yep. Yeah, so I'm referencing a column, and reference admission number in foreign key constraint are incompatible. Oh, let's see, varchar. Oh, so he's saying student is int, so I have to change it to varchar. Yeah, I remember now. So I have to change it to varchar, and let's say I'll just put 50 because yeah, so I was using integers before. Okay, so it worked fine. So now I'm gonna, it's the same settings, so it means I have to change everything, and like I said, I'm too lazy. I'll just copy it, go to my Notepad. Notepad is one of my useful tools. People don't understand how much I enjoy using Notepad. So I'll just go to Notepad, I Ctrl V. So what I want to change is student int, and I want to change this SMS underscore to SMS underscore S. So I'll do Ctrl H. I'll type, I don't need to type really, I'll just say student this, paste it here because I just want to do it once. And what I want is, I'll just go to the first changes I did. So I want then varchar 50. That's what I want here. I'll just paste, replace all, so it has done that. And SMS dot, I'll just say, just to be careful, I'll say SMS underscore S, then dot, replace all, and I think I'm good. I'll copy this, paste it in back here for the rest. Ctrl V, and I'll start running them one by one. So we are going to stop here and come back in the next video to continue running them. Also, maybe I'll just run them, and yeah, and when we come back, we're going to continue from there. I'm just going to refresh this so you guys will see. Anyways, thank you very much. See you in the next video.